Everything is so vibrant and juicy. There are so many bugs and birds, and it's just super pretty. Super, super pretty. And I forget that it's always been there. During winter, it was also gorgeous. There were also magical moments happening. Some birds that didn't fly away like crows, they were still very, very present. And I forget to appreciate it. I forget to appreciate clouds. Or grass. It's always been green. Here in Europe especially, it doesn't snow as much anymore. So the grass stays like this, which is puzzling. Everything is really dead, but the grass is like holding on. I almost don't like it. I love snow. I love snow and I miss snow. I also miss living by the forest. But I like the freedom of the fields. I love how it's endless almost. It just keeps going and flowing, and I like the wind when I don't have to bike. Because it also makes me feel free. I'm grateful for this moment. I'm grateful that I can share it. And maybe you'll go outside tomorrow. Look at every little plant that you can see. And also feel grateful for it. Also smile at it. I heard that you should smell flowers because it makes them happy. Have you ever noticed the trees are giggling? Have you ever noticed that? Have you ever noticed that they clap for you? That they can hug you? You hug a tree and it hugs you back with its branches, you know? Or maybe it just works with bushes. I don't know. Ask your local tree. Ask your local buddy. Okay. I hope you could hear me. I don't have microphone yet. That is an investment that I am a little bit cautious to do, but with enough support I can actually make it. So yeah, if you'd like to support me, I make these, and I would really appreciate it. I would like to yap more, and I feel like I have something to say or something to show, or both. I don't know. We shall see. We shall see if anyone resonates with it. If anyone would like to see me and support me in this way. I don't know. But I'm willing to try. So catching the last rays of sun, I'm thanking you for being here, for supporting me in any type of way, just with your presence, or with an order, or a nice comment. I am afraid of being seen, and I'm actively facing it. So I feel like I'm gonna be rewarded for it. Just saying. Yeah. Okay. Bye. Goodbye. Bye, my friends. See you soon.